Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Craft Moves, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how to make a DIY miniature cotton candy keychain. Oh, and that was a lot to say. So before starting this video, if you could maybe click that subscribe button, it would be so awesome. Like, share and comment my video, and now let's get started. So guys, I have taken a yellow cotton. You can also buy it from your craft store nearby, and then I'm taking a wooden stick and I'm going to be gluing a charm thing. I'm not sure about it, what it's called, but I'm going to be gluing it, which will hold my keychain when I will stick it together, or I will put it together. You can say anything. So I'm doing it with a glue gun. You can also use another glue if you have. Then I'm going to be putting some more glue on the stick to stick the cotton candy. Once you're happy with the shape, you can just take the jump ring and then you have to just put it together. You just have to put it to the charm, and then you can just put the keychain in it. And there you go, your DIY miniature cotton candy keychain is ready. Here it is. I have made 3 of them: yellow, blue, and pink. You can put it on your backpack. It will look super stylish and super cute. Thank you guys for watching.